Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you a basic thing. What every DIY user in the space or in the area of a car repair thing have to get in his or her garage. It is a CNIKESIN 500Pcs of car trim clips, push retainers, nylon plastic rivet with body repair tools, universal fastener remover for all. I repeat, for all types of cars. The material. These Rivet fasteners are made of nylon materials, suitable for car use. Car's good accessory, commonly used for fitting side skirts, bumpers, and other trims. These clips are suitable for firmly holding anything within a fit diameter hole. Matching clips tool pliers is more convenient. Various specifications meet the diverse needs of applications. No need to go to the car repair shop. Save yourself time and money. This it is. The material is made of plastic. The size is a random thing because there are so many different pieces inside this box. The perfect to replace your old or worn one. Used widely for car fender, bumpers, doors, or other car surfaces. High quality plastic material, durable and long service life. The application is universal type. Suitable for many cars, not for all cars in the world, of course, but for so many cars. And it is inside this bag. It contains 500 pieces of different mixed fasteners and buckle tool. The buckle tool is easy to remove some fastener of your car. And after you remove the fastener, you have to replace it by one of the 500 in this box. That is nice and easy going. And every mechanic needs a set of mixed fasteners. Because in my past, I was because of my Volvo, I was at a dealer, and this dealer gets me for only inner door covers. He took $50 for only, I think it was 10 or 15 of fastener. That is so expensive. But in this set, you have all this kind of fasteners in one box and you can mix them. You do not need to go to a dealer. You have it at your garage, inside your garage. And the buckle tool is so easy to use. Only go under the fastener, pull it up, then you can remove the fastener. After this, replace it by one of the box. Please allow 1.5 until 1 inch difference due to manual measurement. It means this is a retailable thing, but it will be matches to so many cars. The color of the actual items may slightly different from the listing. That means you have to look because of the shape of the fastener, not the color. And if the shape of the fastener is the right shape, you can push it in position, job's done, easy going. That means every mechanic needs one like this box. Makes it 500 pieces of fastener. That is awesome. And the tool is a good thing too. I used before, every time I used a screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and if you're going at the fastener at the side by only one side with a screwdriver, and you lift only one side up, it is often that this fastener is broken because of this action. And with this tool, it is a minimum chance to get a broken fastener after this. Easy going, good thing. The item weight is 440 grams. It is inside 500 pieces. And I think for every car, it's one of the fastener. So that it is nice for every garage, for every DIY garage, and it's not so expensive. It is a cheaper one, so you can buy it and take it to your storage. And if you will need it, you have it in your pocket. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And see you next time again on my channel, please. Soon. And it looks like Lego, isn't it? Yeah.